Hi everyone, it's Erica with EL Whitney Crafts coming again today to do a quick flip through of a mini album I made. I followed a tutorial by Ginger, I believe her name is, on my sister's scrapper. It was really easy to do, beautiful directions, and it turned out just lovely. The paper I used was by Prima Marketing, a Tales of You and Me, I believe, and I used a paper punch and made the flowers and a vellum bow here. This mini album is called Treasured Memories, and I have a very small tassel right here made from different seam bindings that I dyed, and I also have a little butterfly right here. I don't know if you can see that. Yep, right there. Hanging from the tassel. This album measures, let's see, that's 9, so about 5 3/4 by 9, with let's see, almost a 2-inch spine. And the closure here is some lace that I got. Let's see, there's the right string. And that one. There we go. I'm making a mess of this. Here we go. And it was using paper bags of the... If you look on my sister Scrapper's YouTube channel, you look for her video that has the... I think it's called a vertical paper bag design. I'll look for it and put it in the description box below. Here I covered it with I did the inside cover with the Prima paper. In the cover here, this is actually a napkin that I decoupaged on right there. But anyway, all the pages are the same, or same layout. I have a little paper clip here that comes on here, and you can use that as a little handle. It is a little magnetic closure, so I have some stamping there. And then this flips open, and there is a tuck spot right here, and place for you to put your pictures. And there is a large tag that comes out here. Let's see if I can keep this in frame. Okay, so you can do your journaling on here on both sides. Let's see. There you go. I just did a little bit of stamping on there. There, the stamps, I believe, are from Close to My Heart. Most of them, anyways. Let's see. There we go. So that's that page. And then that goes there. And then on the back is a small pocket with another tag and a decorated paper clip. There we go. Space for picture. And that goes there. And that goes in there. And the same thing again. This flips down for pictures and journaling. Decorated paper clip. It goes there. Again, that flips open, and make sure that I'm on screen. Okay, and then you have the pocket there and another journaling tag. There we go. Here's the bottom, the top, and the other side. And that goes... Oh, I'll put it in after. Okay. And on the back, the other tag, journaling, and again, the paper clip. And again, that flips down, paper clip, that opens up, your pocket, place for pictures, and let's see, there you go. So there and there, and it flips to the other side. There. and then the tag here at the back, and another paper clip here, and space for a picture on the back. That goes in there. So here. I believe you can still get this paper pad. It's still available. I saw it just last week at Hobby Lobby, but I've had it for a very long time. But it is still available. And here we go. Space for journaling and or pictures, whatever. There we go. And the tag on the back. And there are 6 pages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, 6 pages in all. And pocket space here, and there's a little bit of stamping here. And again, another journaling card. And another insert here. Space for pictures. And paper clip again. And the last page right here. In your pocket. And your insert. There we go. There. So, and the back page, last one, a little tag, journaling card, place for picture, along with the decorative paper clip and the back cover. Here we go. And my little made by, handmade by. Again, decoupage with napkin, and I covered the spine with paper that I got at Hobby Lobby. Really cute journal, very not journal, mini album, very fun project to make. I'll list below in the description box a link, if I can find it, to my sister scrapper, so you can try for yourself. This is available if you are interested in purchasing it. It will be in my Etsy shop. Information on that will be below. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and leave me any comments you'd like in the comment section below. I will respond to as many as I can. And thanks again for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye bye.